Augmented reality, AR, and virtual reality, VR, AR and VR technologies are rapidly advancing, with the potential to revolutionize the way we interact with the world around us. AR technology can overlay digital information onto the physical world, while VR can create fully immersive virtual environments. These technologies have potential applications in fields such as education, entertainment, medicine, and more. Quantum computing. Quantum computers use quantum mechanical phenomena to perform computations that are impossible for classical computers to handle. While still in the early stages of development, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize fields such as cryptography, machine learning, and drug discovery. Autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles are already on the road, and their development continues to advance rapidly. These vehicles have the potential to greatly reduce traffic congestion, decrease accidents, and increase accessibility for people with disabilities or mobility challenges. 3D printing. 3D printing technology allows for the creation of three-dimensional objects from digital models. The potential applications for 3D printing are vast, ranging from medical implants to aerospace components to custom furniture. Artificial intelligence. AI technology has already made significant impacts in fields such as healthcare, finance, and transportation, and its development continues to accelerate. With advances in machine learning, natural language processing, and robotics, AI has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, including education, entertainment, and the workplace. These are just a few examples of the many futuristic technologies currently in development. While there are many challenges to be overcome, these technologies have the potential to greatly improve our lives in the years to come.